what do we get?
I will cry.
Welcome back to Art Maxing. This is Adobe Live's one and only game show where you can earn points just for showing off your creative flow. We will have some secret prompts, which I'll go ahead and pop up on screen. So Jack is not going to be seeing these.
I'll look away.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. If he hits any of these, you'll see this point pop up on screen and you'll know he got a point. It's really cool to see your process here too, just doodling away.
Yeah, no, I feel like once I really get into my flow state, I mean, it's pretty fast. Like my process is just pretty much going through like from top or bottom to top, like just depending on what the illustration looks like. This is where I'm at so far. I was gonna share, like, if I'm trying to do like an arc or something like really crazy, like a perfect circle with, you know, like a bunch of other like shapes involved, I have found that it is so much easier. Instead of trying to like curve like a corner or something, you actually draw a circle and then in a different layer, add your lines here. And then you go back into this other layer and you erase up to this line. And then you've got like your perfect shape.
So I made some sketches and I wanted to do something summer wing focused. I love the offset path. It's one of my favorite tools because it doesn't work the same way as a scale does. If I were to scale this shape down, the corners and stuff wouldn't match.
I love this offset path tool, by the way, guys. If you're not using this, you should. It's very convenient.
So here's what we're kind of going to do. If you're working on something that's meant to look like the 90s,
right,
then work like you're in the 90s.
Yes.
So,
like kind of giving yourself limitations in a sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. If you paste something in from Illustrator to Photoshop,
Mm-hmm.
you could choose to turn it into a smart object. You can double click into this layer right here. Say I was like, oh, wait, my bad. It's not empty shell casing. It's Slipknot instead. Right?
Oops.
All you would do is type in Slipknot here, save it, and then when you go back into your Photoshop,
Auto updates. Pretty
update.
sick.
My process is pretty much rough out my shapes and then build my shapes as I go. In my personal experience using curvature, I feel like shape builder is something you have to learn if you're going to use curvature, because
100%.
going up and cleaning up lines later is just how to do it, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
If you're using curvature, and you get a sketchy look still, and I love that part of it. So like here, I just noticed I have to clean this up,
Right.
and then you hold Alt to get rid of those like little squiggly bits.
This is a mini game where we talk about shortcuts within Illustrator or Photoshop. Command F, Chris. What do you think Command F is if you had to guess?
If I had to guess, this is like flip horizontally.
Little off. It does involve selections.
Paste
Sean,
in front?
Sean got it. Yeah, you got it. There you go.
Okay.
Let's start with Command 7. Option Command 7.
Oh, release clipping mask?
Oh my gosh, you
Release
got
compound
it.
mask. Oh.
You literally nailed it. So we've got some options that this little wheel can land on. We have mirror canvas, no color picker, merge all layers, which I also think would be evil. I really hope we don't land on that. So we're gonna spin this wheel. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay,
I'm excited.
not bad. 3 pixel brush.
That will really come in handy for these tiny little faces.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
thank you.
Zadak, what do we get? What do we get?
I will cry.
Random shape implemented into this design.
I can do that.
Quadrilateral. I don't know what that is.
There it is. Done. Ready?
Nice.
Okay. And then check me out. Boom. And it's
Nice.
kind of like the same shape as them when you think about it.
Fits, honestly. It looks like a pyramid
Yeah.
vibe.
But I kind of don't hate it.
It's kind of cool.
All right.
Dude, I love this. Chris, your final points is 4 points, which is not bad. You're tied for first place, and this is your first time on Art Maxing. I think that's pretty dang cool. You got 4 points today, if it wasn't obvious. I pre-prepped that for you, which is awesome. Right on track with Chris. Oh, come on now. 4 million. You know what? Leave it. You can leave it. You can leave it. 4 million
4 million
points.
points.